Hi, this is Tim at Watches and Wonders with Hublot, and we are looking at the Spirit of Big Bang in yellow sapphire. As you can see, the entire case, all contours, mid-case, top, and back, rendered in yellow sapphire. This timepiece is part of the Spirit of Big Bang tonneau case line that debuted back at Basel World 2014. Now, it's a 45mm watch across, and the timepiece is easy to wear because though 45, the sapphire is feather light. Some of the details include black hardware and a Zenith El Primero caliber doing business as Hublot HUB 4700. You can see the Zenith El Primero with grayscale finish, beaten away at 36,000 vibrations per hour, column wheel chronograph, 52-hour power reserve. The watch does feature 100-meter water resistance, and as you can see, 100 pieces will be constructed of this limited series. Jump back out a little, you can see the dial revealing the Zenith El Primero base underneath a sapphire top featuring the individual luminescent indices and yellow superluminova. The timepiece features a gummy strap that is constructed of silicone, not silicon, silicone, and a full trigger-actuated deployant clasp. Each example of this timepiece in yellow sapphire, and they're making 100, will be priced at US $106,000. Hi, this is Tim at Hublot. At Watches and Wonders 2019, we are talking about the Hublot Big Bang Bleu Blue Ceramic. Powered by a 3-day automatic Unico caliber, this watch is part of the Bleu series conceived in conjunction with Bleu media founder and tattoo artist Maxime Bouchy. The watch is 45mm in blue ceramic, and as you can see, it has a handsome and complex geometric scheme comprising angles, curves, matte finish, as well as high polish. You'll even note the engraving of the case flanks in the spirit of Bleu tattoos. It features a custom strap, again featuring some of Maxime Bouchy's geometrical tattoo themes, full deployant clasp, as you can see, in a combination of metal and ceramic. The ceramic case is highly scratch resistant, almost completely impervious to the scratches and scuffs that befall conventional timepieces, and it has a most unconventional fashion of displaying the time. Now, the dial is comprised of an outer, a middle, and an innermost scale. You can see right now it's set to precisely 12 o'clock, and now it's set to 12:15. Now I push the crown in. It features stop seconds, and you can see constant seconds reflected by an inner geometric scale that rotates constantly. The dial has phenomenal depth as well as luster. As you can see, the overlapping geometries incredibly compelling as well as distinctive in the way they display time, but they also grace a dial that features tremendous dished contours outboard, and you can see in particular from this angle that there are engraved indentations inside the metallic blue Rayhot outboard that are blue lacquered inside of their wells, so the level of detailing is quite impressive. The timepiece, of course, 100 meters water resistant with a screw down crown, is a full service sports watch, $20,900 US, and as you will appreciate, a screw down crown to ensure that this is no soft 100 meters. This is a true swimmable watch. And once again, you have that cool push-button release system for the straps so you can quickly swap shoes. 200 pieces in a limited edition. This is the Hublot Big Bang Bleu Blue Ceramic. Hi, this is Tim at Watches and Wonders 2019 with Hublot, and today we are discussing the Hublot Big Bang Unico Blue Ceramic, an extraordinary gloss application of blue ceramic. We're used to seeing ceramic in satin and matte finishes. The gloss finishes are an innovation that Hublot has trumpeted rather loudly and prominently, as they've been the chief proponents of this particular type of ceramic finish. Now, of course, you've seen the red, but the blue has a wonderful contemporary charm about it and a handsome contrast about the distinction between the polish of the case and the matte blues of the dial. Of course, as with all of the Unico open dials, we have tremendous depth of field, but we also have most of the fun of a traditional chronograph on the dial side. As you can see, both the lateral clutch and the column wheel, in an inverse of the conventional practice, they are on the dial side of the Unico. The Unico, a movement designed to be seen. It's also a flyback as standard, so all basic Unico chronographs have that flyback capability. The watch features a handsome combination of grayscales below the primary sapphire. There's actually a second base on which the indices are mounted, so the dial has tremendous luster, depth of field, different materials, colors, textures, and tones. Now, because it is equipped with Hublot's wonderful automotive-inspired push-button lugs, you can quickly and easily denude the watch of its strap. The strap is a handsome piece, vulcanized rubber, and unlike many Hublot watches which feature leather on the top and rubber on the bottom, this is actually a two-tone rubber with an embossed pattern of strakes on the top to give it definition, and you can see a double-stepped profile for the same purpose. Full deployant clasp, Hublot uses a deployant with a ceramic insert externally and twin triggers to ensure that this one stays resolutely closed. Now jumping back to the case, you can see it features that sort of machine brought from the inside out aesthetic that Hublot has helped to pioneer in the sports watch segment. Automotive piston inspired pushers and a deeply knurled rubber-coated crown that's a joy to use. This timepiece, a limited series of 500 retailing for $20,900 US, features the Unico caliber HUB 1242. What does it have? Well, it has an unlubricated silicone escapement. The silicone escapement helping to reduce maintenance intervals and improve precision. 4 beats per second, so 8 hertz, or rather 8 beats per second, 4 hertz I should say, stop seconds, quick set date. It features the flyback function. It also features 5-position adjustment like a chronometer, which is quite impressive for a timepiece that frankly sells on style. Now, 100 meters water resistant, the gloss gives way to matte, and now we're looking at the Hublot Football Series Jose Mourinho Limited Edition. This timepiece contrasts with the blue ceramic in that almost all of its ceramic exterior is of a matte treatment. You can see the signature colors in a sort of pastel red and matte blue, a striking watch all of red, blue, and black. Now turning it over, you can see one of these most distinctive features of this model is the fact that Hublot created an anodized and fully blued movement, so the HUB 1242 Unico gaining a full color treatment to match the watch itself. Now this is a limited edition of 200 pieces, but in all respects it is the mechanical twin of the blue ceramic I just showed you, and you can get a good sense of the operation of the lateral clutch and the column wheel on the dial side of the watch. This is the Hublot Big Bang Unico Jose Mourinho Limited Edition, and this, also in blue ceramic but of a different persuasion, is the Hublot Big Bang Unico Blue Ceramic. 200 pieces, 500 pieces at Hublot Watches and Wonders 2019.